Good morning, everybody. Happy weekend to you. Where does your paycheck go? It's a question I ask myself every day with every purchase decision I do. And this is where my paycheck goes. A high dividend account. And half of those dividends feed a trading account, and half of the dividends from the trading account feed the investing account, and half of the dividends from the investing account feed my maintenance costs, my budget, my fund money, what I live on. And so I'm just going to go through and see if we can find a swing trade setup. Nothing crazy. And put the money to work. I don't put too much effort into this, but it's fun to kind of look through and see. Like ECC, you can see the circle where we got in. And just trying to buy as smart as possible with the highest possible yield, but also when the asset is going up. So there's nothing here. You can see YMAX, hell of a buy there. And looks like it's already paid out. USA was right in the similar vein too. Got CCIF, same thing here. It was flagged and then we missed it, so I don't check it every day. That's not what this account is. But we'll just wait for the next one. We can't get them all. CRT. Again, none of these are recommendations telling you what to buy. So Mochi, we have a ton of this. But do your own research. See this one, good. Set up here on the 30. It did cross. And I just do stuff at the top of the list. And once I get $100,000 in that particular equity, it goes to the bottom of the list. And then once it gets 200, the bottom of the list, 300 in all of them, so on and so forth. It's kind of how I look at it. See here, we missed this one as well. I'm just going through cleaning up, and if we, can't get into anything on this list, we'll go right to Dogs of the Dow. And we'll do the options wheel strategy, or a slight variation, my variation of it. But really just hanging out. And you can see all these have similar patterns. So some of these at the bottom of the list may not get much loving. See down here was the 30 spike. It definitely hit. I don't have to be too crazy about it. If it's in the same general area of where it would have hit, I don't see much harm in go ahead and grabbing it. But, just like to go through and see this for myself. It's exactly the same. It'll be 562 to 563. This one is 563, 563. I think this is what I'm going with. Nice and easy. So we're not getting much into the dogs, but I'd much rather buy. This is the 18th. Looks like this pays every week as well. I'm going to put my order in here and get rid of this paycheck, So immediately, I'm not working for the same everybody else is working for. Not. I'm immediately turning the paycheck into a weekly cash flow. Never spend your earned income, only your passive income. Let's see, 567 is the closing print. And include extended hours, get till cancel, limit order. And the order's in. So I'll set it and forget it. But that's what I'm getting. Again, not a recommendation. But you can see here, 2% a week, a little less than 2% a week. So that ends up being a, 60% dividend yield a year. I'll take it. Yeah, nice and easy. But that'll pay every week. They started these. This this account also will touch base on this since we're getting into leverage in the public account. This account for me and my main account has no leverage. But the high dividends, like I said, when we do statements at the end of the month, half of these dividends will go into the trading account, which is leveraged, and the investment account is leveraged. I think it's important to not leverage everything and to have some safety into it. I learned a lot about leverage during COVID. It was the fastest crash in history, but I think that record will not hold for long. We do have circuit breakers and things in place, but um, with everybody being able to immediately sell on their phones, I think you're going to see a lot of really extreme movements in the market. So, huge opportunity. Generational wealth can be created faster than ever before. And I'm just an average guy, just trying to show folks how I do it. If you like that, hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed and share this with your friends as the market's at all-time highs. These high income asset classes are way out of favor and you can get some pretty good yields. So that's what I'm doing. We'll do it again next week. I did get a paycheck for my real job, so this is a nice big purchase today. But even next week, we won't get paid from my ham and egger 9 to 5 job, but I'll have dividends, distributions, and automatic deposits go in. So every day, every month, every week, every year, increasing my passive income, multiple streams of income, creating the eighth day, more activity. So we're getting off here. I'm going to do eBay and YouTube and all that other stuff for that account. So if you're interested in cars, check out the other channel. Should be in the description, or you can find it, I'm sure. Still holding the bag. But I appreciate you guys watching. If you used even part of your paycheck to increase passive income, let me know down below in the comments. I'd be interested to know. I hope this is helpful to you, and I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you later.